Well, winter is in full force for many across the country, and this time of the year we often hear about big storm systems called nor'easters. Sometimes people like to call them land hurricanes. That's not really the case, though. In this week's Science Says, meteorologist Corallys Ortiz explains how this type of storm gets its name and how they differ from actual hurricanes.
A nor'easter is a large cyclonic system that forms off the east coast, and they're named for the reason you probably guessed. Because they usually impact our northeastern states, but not only that, also because of the northeasterly directions of the winds from these storms. In the winter, when the polar jet stream brings cold Arctic air eastward across the plains, it clashes with the warmer air from the Gulf. That's keeping the coastal waters mild. Although nor'easters are sometimes associated with winter weather, they actually happen all year round, most frequently between September and April. One common misconception about them is that they are simply land hurricanes. So here's what the science has to say about that. Well, if you compare satellite images of a nor'easter and a hurricane, they do look similar. Both are cyclonic systems with winds spiraling around an area of low pressure. Both also form in the Atlantic, but a key difference is location. Hurricanes occur over warmer waters near the tropics, closer towards the equator, whereas nor'easters are further north, forming anywhere between Florida and New England. Another thing to know, nor'easters can get quite large, with their length spanning almost the entire seaboard. As they move north, they gain strength, producing everything from strong winds, heavy rain, flooding, snow, or even blizzards. So although a nor'easter is not a hurricane, they can definitely look like it, causing some of the most notorious weather events and leaving behind plenty of costly problems. And that's what the science says about nor'easters.